Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you the remaining part of the lesson, The Adventures of Toto. You have studied when grandfather was passing out from the railway station. And he met a railway ticket collector. Railway ticket collector was watching the people who has taken ticket or not. He asked to show the ticket to grandfather, and grandfather showed his ticket to him. Then he noticed what was poking inside the canvas bag. That bag had been taken by grandfather. He said to open the bag to watch which thing he had put inside it. When grandfather opened the canvas bag, Toto poked out, and seeing Toto, the ticket collector was frightened. He classified Toto as a dog. When a ticket collector was frightened, he was confused. He was unable to recognize in the bag was a dog or a monkey. So he classified Toto as a dog, and he demanded 3 rupees as railway fare. Grandfather paid the fare for Toto. Then he kept out a little tortoise from his pocket and asked how much he was to pay for that animal. He asked how much money he had to pay for that animal. The ticket collector examined it using his hand and said it was not a dog. That's why there was no need to pay for its fare. Then grandfather had returned from Saharanpur. He reached to home. When grandmother saw Toto, she became very happy. She finally accepted Toto and put it in the stable with the family donkey whose name was Nana. Finally, grandmother accepted Toto and put it in the stable with the family donkey Nana. Toto played his wicked prank again and caught on Nana's long ear with his sharp teeth. When Toto was put with Nana's in the stomach, he started to played he started to play prank with Nana. He caught on Nana's long ear with his sharp teeth. It means he created a lot of nuisance for Nana. The poor donkey, means Nana, was unable to eat hay at all. It means the two neighbors became friends. The two neighbors became friends. It means there are oppositions between them. They have not as friendly behavior between them. That's why they have to separate it. Then after that, grandmother gave Toto a bowl of warm water in winter for a bath. When Toto has come under the control of grandmother, grandmother started to look after him. Grandmother gave Toto a bowl of warm water in winter for a bath. He used to, it means when the warm water has been given to Toto, he used to test the temperature of the water with his hand. Finding it tolerable, he sat into the bowl. When Toto, finding the water tolerable, he sat into the bowl. He took the soap. And rubbed himself with his hand. And rubbed himself with his hand like a human. Seeing the activities of Toto, all the family members became very happy. One day, a large kettle had been left on the fire. One day, a large kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea. Toto took out the lid. He checked the water. Then it was cool because it started to warm. Then he entered inside the kettle. Toto entered inside the kettle. When water was started to boil, he tried to raise his head. He found it. He found it cold outside. He sat down. When he felt warm into the water, he raised his head outside, and the outside atmosphere was cool. That's why he put down his head under the water. Suddenly, grandmother arrived there and she pulled out him from the kettle. In this way, grandmother saved grandmother saved the life of Toto. Toto's mischief, Toto's mischievous nature was uncontrollable. Uncontrollable. One day, he took pulao plate from the dining table. When grandmother screamed to come down, taking the pulao plate, he went to a tree with him or with it. He finished every grain in it. Then he threw the plate down delightfully. It broke into 100 pieces. Then grandfather realized notorious activities of Toto. So he sold him back to the Tanga driver for only 3 rupees. It means Toto has came back to Tanga driver. My dear students, I hope you have learned something today. Goodbye.